channel, and this is the first video of our playlist of data science using Python. So in this video we will see basics of Python. So in this video we will cover the following topics such as introduction, using commands in R with the help of R or Python, executing commands in Python, saving output in Python, and accessing records and variable in Python. So firstly, introduction. So Python introduces the essential programming concept that is needed for data science, and it is used for basic operations required to handle and visualize data. It is very helpful. So Python coding basics. So firstly, comments. What are comments? The comments are start with the hashtag symbol, and comments are used in Python to explain your code. And as you can see here, hashtag, this is a comment. This is a comment in Python, and print hello Python, and this will print on the screen. Next, we will see Python coding basics. So in Python coding basics, we will see importing libraries. So libraries are like modules, or some, is in the C++ we have classes like that. And importing libraries, so Python libraries like pandas and numpy are essential for data manipulation. As for importing libraries, we use import keyword as import pandas as pd. We can write import pandas also, but when we have to access its method or function, we will use every time pandas. So for giving it a nickname or short name, we use spd. So now we will access, as you can see here, we will access read csv function with pd only, and import numpy as np loading. So data, Panda is used to read data from files like csv.data is equal to pd.readcsv example.csv, and saving output, save results as variable for reuse. It saves the results as variables for reuse. And summary is equal to data.describe. It is a method which is accessed by data. And print summary. So summary, the data will be printed. Okay. Next, handling data in Python accessing. So data, it selects the specific rows and columns from data sets. For example, first row is equal to data.log of 0. It is an index, and it accesses the first row. And for accessing a column, a specific column is equal to data and of column name. Exploring data, perform basic operations like viewing column names and data types. For example, print data.columns, it will, with the help of this we can view columns, and print data.d types, we can view data types. Next, we will see visualization in Python. To run the visualization code in Google Colab, you need to ensure the data set is correctly loaded or simulated within the notebook. Otherwise, it will give error. And Colab supports all required libraries such as pandas and matplotlib. And the plots will automatically render inline without additional setup. Next, plotting data with matplotlib. Matplotlib is a powerful library for creating a wide range of plots. As here is an example of how to use it to create histogram. We will see this all by running on Google Colab. So now we will see the basics of Python by running it on Google Colab. So as you can see here, first point is basics of coding in Python. So print hello world, which is a print statement, simple print statement which print hello world on the output screen. And x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10. These are the variable assignments, that 5 value is assigned to x named variable. Then print x plus 5, which do addition. As you can see here in the output, is hello world is printed, and 15. Now second is using comments in Python. So how to use comment, as we discussed earlier, that comments are the statements with hashtag symbol. So hashtag, this is a single line comment, and then print statement Python is fun. So Python is fun is printed on the output. Now we can also use triple quotation for using comments in Python. As you can see here, the hashtag is used for the comments, for single line comments, but if we need multiple line comments, then we use triple quotation symbol. As you can see here, print comments are helpful, then comments are helpful are printed. Next, executing commands in Python. So as you can see here, This is the example of Python command, that print Python command executed. A print is a Python command, and we can also execute shell command in Colab. For using shell command, we use exclamation mark. As you can see here, exclamation echo. This is a shell command. Echo is just like a print statement. Is print this statement. As you can see here in the output, Python command executed, and this is a shell command. Next, we will see importing packages. How to import packages? We have seen earlier that with the help of import keyword, we import packages and use that packages or that modules functions or methods. As you can see here, import math, print math.sqrt of 16. So output will be 4.0, as you can see here. And then import numpy as np, and np.array is going 123, and 123 is output. From math, we can also use this type of syntax for importing package. With this syntax, we will only import sqrt from math and print sqrt 25. And we, with the help of this syntax, we don't have to write math every time we use its function. As you can see here, 5.0 is the output. Next is getting data into Python. How to get data into Python? So we are reading a data set from a URL. This is a URL of someone's, by which we can seeing the data. As you can see here, df is equal to pd.readcsv, and we have imported pandas as pd. That's why we use pd.readcsv of url. Url has this link. And print data preview, print df.head. Now the data will be printed. As you can see here in the output, the data preview, and sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, and spices. And now the next is saving output in Python. How to save output? First, we create a simple data frame, that is data is equal to name, Alice, Bob, Charlie, and age 25, 30, 35, and df is equal to pd dot data frame of data. So now saving to CSV file. How to save? So df dot to CSV output dot CSV index is equal to false. And now downloading the file in Colab. How to download in Colab? From google.colab import files and files dot download. So output dot CSV will be downloaded in our computer. As you can see here, downloading output dot CSV. Yes. Next, we will see df dot to CSV output dot CSV index is equal to false. As you can see here. Next is accessing records and variables. How to access records and variables in Python? As you can see here, LST, which means a list. It is a list data type. There is a list data type in Python. So LST is of list type, and as you can see here, in square brackets, 10, 20, 30, 40, and it starts from indexing 0. So that's why LST of 0 is the 10, and last element in -1. So -1 negative indexing also there. So 10 and 40 will be printed, as you can see here. Next, import panda as pd, and data is equal to name, Alice, Bob as 2530. Pd dot df is equal to pd dot data frame of data. Print df of name, df of loc of 0, and df of I loc of 1. So with the help of this, we access a column. With the help of this, we access a row, and with the help of this, we access by index position also. So output will be, yes, 0 of Alice, 1 of Bob, name of name, data type is equal to object, and name Alice age 25, and name is equal to 0, and data type is object. And next, as we can see here, x is equal to 100 and print of x, so x value will be printed, which is 100. Okay, so in today's lecture we have seen basics of Python, and now thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for the next videos also. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.